Today I'm going to be reviewing Good Band's Winter Fleece Ear Warmer Headband for men and women. Nice packaging, plastic free. Let's open this up and see what we got. All right, here it is. It is fleece, very comfortable. I've had actually headbands like this before, and I can already tell it's going to be comfortable. Let's go ahead and put it on. All right, I've got it on, comfortable. You can see covers the ears. It stretches perfectly to my big head. Perfect for skiing, cycling, running, or just being outside camping. It does have the quick dry fabric, sweat wicking fleece, which is nice. It is very light and comfortable, breathable, and comes in 3 different colors. Actually really nice and inexpensive. I like the different colors. What I also like is it gets 4.5 stars, almost 100 reviews. And last month, 1,000 plus of these were bought. So people are liking them. I'm not showing that these are getting returned. So if you're looking for a really nice winter fleece ear muff band for men or women, this is perfect for you. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.